A website without speed is completely useless. And the good thing is that gone are the days where you need to have technical skills. You need to take a course before you can optimize your website. Gone are the days where it will cost you a arm and a leg for you to be able to boost your WordPress website speed. It's amazing the kind of technology we are seeing these days, and literally I'm amazed how with a click of a button you can boost your website speed significantly. And that's exactly what I want to show you in this tutorial. I want to show you literally a free plugin with a click of a button that will boost your website speed amazingly. I never thought this was possible until I gave this a try, and I want to show you exactly what plugin that is and exactly how I did it. So right on my screen here is airlift.net. You can check the video description for you to see a link to this website. It is not an affiliate link, so I'm not about to sell anything to you. I just want to show you what works. So if you're here, you would see that this website promises to give you an ultra fast WordPress website with a click of a button, and you can see a video, you can check their website. They say quite a number of things here and is super, super amazing. What this website does is that this website takes a copy of your website, convert it to a static website, and host it on their CDN and distribute it all around the world. That way, people have a static version of your website and they're able to access it without necessarily engaging with your live website. How crazy and intuitive is that? Let's just give this a try and let's see. I am looking at a website here called Website Design Master. This is one of my old websites when in the early days when I sold website tutorials, website courses, and it's a very bulky website built with WordPress Elementor, and you can tell WordPress Elementor is not easy to optimize. And I have not had any form of optimization done for this website. I think I should just copy this website URL. And let's come to page speed inside here, and let's paste that URL here, and let's analyze this to see what this website is currently doing in terms of optimization. So right before you can see on my screen here, this website performance 33, accessibility is 80, best practice 96, SEO 77. So you can see a lot of optimization needs to be done for this website. If I really want this website up and running, I have left this website for maybe 10 years right now. I can't even remember. But I have not done anything on this website in a long time. So this website is quite very heavy. Like I said, has a lot of videos. My tutorials have a lot of members. And you can tell that it needs a lot of rejig for this to come up again. So let's come to the desktop version. So you can see literally the same thing. Everything here looks literally dead. So let me try this plugin with this website, and let's see if this website is able to speed up this website. So now let's come back to Airlift here, and let's just get started now. The next thing here is for you to create an account, and that's definitely what I want to do. All right, so I have this details field, and then I can hit the sign up button. So you can see here it says building dashboard. Please wait. So let's give this some time. So the next thing here is for us to add our website URL, and then I can just paste that here, and then I'll hit the continue button. And here now we have the option for us to manually install a plugin that we'll use, and that's the Airlift plugin. So let's download this into my computer, even though I've already downloaded it once before. So I just want to experiment with this for tutorial purpose. So right now, let's come back to our website here. I would need to log into the back end of this website. Okay, so right now, I just want to view this in a new tab. So let's open that up, and now let's come to plugins. Let's come to add new. Right now, I can just upload a plugin. Scrolling down here right now, I can just come to my downloads here. I can just drag this here, and then I can install this plugin. All right. So here now, let's activate this plugin. Automatically, this plugin is redirecting us to airlift.net. This is the dashboard here. Everything about this plugin is managed not inside of WordPress, but rather on their dashboard. And this is quite very different from whatever we have seen other plugins do over time. And that's why this one is a little bit unique. And perhaps that's the reason why the result is quite very different. So let's just continue the process. Let's see what this plugin can do. Okay, all right. So now we can see here it says analyzing your website. Estimated time is still loading. I don't have that yet. But currently, as you can see on the screen right now, these platform, this airlift plugin here is analyzing our website. So let's see what it's going to come up with. As you can see here, there's a lot of things this plugin is supposed to do. It's supposed to come to JavaScript, minify JavaScript, define JavaScript, even some delaying JavaScript, copying JavaScript to CDN. So you can see for our style sheet, the same thing here is going to copy our CSS to CDN. So for our images here, we see that it's going to find viewport images, preloading of our images, and also activate lazy loading for our images, and also for our front as well. So what this is going to do is it's going to optimize our front. So let's just wait and let's see all what this plugin is able to do. But while we wait for this to get done, we can see here it says, please verify your email address. I will just go to my Gmail account and then I will verify this email and then this prompt. So we can see here, it says our initial performance metrics for your website is 48, but we got 30, okay, this is 63 here. For our mobile, we got 33. So I don't know. There's a discrepancy between both, but that's fine. Let's see what this comes up with eventually. Right now, it's now configuring our website. So now it's doing all the magic. So you can see this is loading up. So we're going to give this time as well to finish up. I have also verified my email. So you can see that prompt here is gone. So I'll take a pause. I'll be back when this is over and done. So after waiting for some time, now we have the final result, and you can see here, this is now the final result. We now have our website loading at 91. This is amazing. And then we can scroll down, we can see all the optimization that was done. We can see delayed, you can see minified. That's for our JavaScript optimization. And I think this is just pretty mesmerizing, and it's just amazing how you can just speed up your website like that. We can come more to our optimization settings here to see what we can do more. So if we come down here, we'll see that we can do some other things more, but for me, I'm still experimenting with this. I'm super excited about this score I have. So if you scroll down here, you can see you can disable optimization for specific URL. This is just amazing for you to have literally for free. So if you come down again to JavaScript, you can disable JavaScript or default JavaScript for specific URL. You can strategically delay JavaScript execution for target URLs. You can exclude specific URL for script already under delay. So once you delay some scripts, it's just cool for you to exclude them. So I'm amazed that you have all of these things literally for free, and this is amazing. So when you come to your lighthouse, you can see your performance report. So you can see performance is 91, accessibility is now 98, best practices is 100. But before I end this tutorial, I think I should just come to page speed insight to confirm if this result is true. So I'll just copy this URL here. I'll open it in a new tab. So let's experiment. That's it. That's the result. You can see this is amazing. A whopping 92, even though we got 91 from the dashboard. And I think this is amazing. You can see what this plugin can do. I can continue to optimize this website further, but for us to be able to get this done literally for free, just with a click of a button, I think this is good. Go experiment with these guys and let me know your result in the comment section. That's my time for this tutorial. I hope you find it very useful. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll look out for them, and subscribe to see more awesome tutorials like this from me. That's my time. I'll see you on that tutorial. Until then, stay safe.